Happy birthday, Tito Rog! Alam ko naman po na sobrang isa kang malaking blessing para po sa aming lahat ng mga beauty queens na pumasok sa mundo niyo po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng ginawa niyo sa amin. You stuck through me. You were with me through my battles and through my defeats, and you never gave up and you always had faith in me. Maraming salamat, Tito Rog. I don't know what I would have done in the past 3 years without you. So maraming salamat, hindi lang sa'yo, kundi sa buong pamilya na ginawa mo at binuo mo. Dahil sa'yo, isang malaking pamilya at palaki ng palaki pa rin. Maraming salamat, Tito Rog. Happy birthday!
What's up with you after your Vietnam stint?
After Vietnam, I went back to Cebu. And I just stayed there, you know, I just spent time with my family because my dad and my sisters came home. So sobrang masayang Pasko talaga at sinulog at New Year. So gusto ko muna umuwi sa Cebu, and then I came back to Manila, and you know, it's been pretty calm lang in my life, and I'm happy that it's been like that, you know. So okay naman.
Are you going back to showbiz, like hosting?
Well, I still do a bit of hosting stuff, mostly for events na, pero I don't showbiz, siguro magpapapayat muna ako. Di ba? Subukan ko, try ko, you know. A lot of people want me to try it, and it seems like a really fun thing to do. And so, sana, if payagan ni Lord, pumasok ako, why not?
Malapit na rin yung Miss Philippines Earth, right? So, pwede kang mag-invite ng mga girls ngayon na gustong sumali sa Miss Philippines Earth.
Sa lahat ng mga girls aspiring to become part of the family of Miss Philippines Earth, I encourage you to join. We are an absolutely amazing pageant because we not only seek for the most beautiful girls, but the girls that will actually embody the true spirit of an environmentalist or an advocate. Someone that sobrang talagang internalize nila ang pagiging Miss Philippines Earth at gagawin nila ang trabaho. So I encourage you, if you want to do something with your life that will change your life forever, join Miss Philippines Earth.
Thank you, Carla.